Hi everyone, welcome to Fix It Free. Welcome to this new video, guys. So today we're going to be talking about how to delete all the cache that you have on your Windows 11, and in this video I prepared 6 different ways to do it, and those 6 different ways will give you the ability to delete almost completely all the cache that you have on your system on your Windows 11. So let's start with the first method, that is let's first zoom this for you guys. So the first method is clear the temporary cache, and we're gonna be using the run tab, and in order to do this just click on Windows and R at the same time, and then write %temp% again and hit OK. So now you will have all the file of the cache. You can just click on Ctrl A and then delete this. So let's continue, and so after deleting all the file, just refresh the page. Do this, try again. Actually this is in relation with my screen recording, as I think so. Those files are needed in order to record my screen. So let's go over the step 2, that is about clearing the cache via the settings. And in order to do this, just click on the Windows icon here and go over the settings, and then whenever you go over the settings you click on the system, and after clicking on the system navigate through the storage. So here wait a moment, and then you will find that you have some temporary file left here. So wait for the analyze to be completed, and then just click on remove file. You can select whatever you want to delete as a cache and click on continue, and that's it. So that's the method number 2. Let's go over the method number 3, that is about clearing the system cache using the disk cleanup. So using the disk cleanup is a very common method. So you just need to navigate through the disk cleanup and then select your your disk drive. For example, my C drive here, and here select all those files. So that's all this file except this recycle pane, as I think are some sort of cache. So just click on OK and delete the files, and it will take some time, and let's leave this and let's go over the step number 4. So the step number 4 is about to clear the in order to clear the location cache. So in order to do this, all you need to do is go again over the settings, then you go over the privacy. So here, after going over the privacy, you will search for location, as you can see, and here just go above and you'll find clear location history on the device, and click on clear, and then everything is clear, as you can see. Now let's go over the method number 5, that is about related to Microsoft Store cache. So in order to do this, all you need to do is go again over the Run tab by clicking on Windows R, as you can see, and then here this time let's type this sentence here, as you can see, and let's click on OK. So what this mean, this is an application that called Windows Store Reset, and this application will give you the ability to reset all the Windows Store, and after doing this all the cache will be deleted. Okay, wait a moment for the process to be completed. Again, let's leave this here at the corner and let's continue over the, so it's completed right now. Let's close this and let's go over the last method, that is the method number 6, the method that is related to the browsers. So any browser has the option to delete the cache. For example, I'm using the Chrome browser, and directly after clicking on more tools, as you can see, you will see that you have here the option clear browsing data. After clicking here, you will get a new tab, as you can see, and here you can delete the cache image, you can delete the cookies, and you can delete the browsing history. So all this is cache actually, and the cookies also. So let's select clear the cache. Before that, select the time range, for example all time, and then all you need to do is click on clear data, as you can see. Just one thing to say, guys, if you have some sort of auto typing password, for example the passwords are stored on your computer, this might damage the password database. So just make sure to save all your passwords before doing this. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching Fix It Free. Don't forget to give me a like, and don't forget to give me your opinion, guys, in the comment. Also, don't forget to subscribe to Fix It Free. Thank you, guys, and thank you for your support, guys.